This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send money using Cash App without verification. So there's a process in Cash App through which you guys can verify yourself. Verifying means you guys need to provide your document like your citizenship ID or your passport or your SSN number. After that, it's going to verify you legally. Once it's done that, then you can send any amount of money using Cash App. If you guys have not done the verification process, you can only send limited amount of money, like up to $500 in a week. But if you guys have completed your verification process, you can send up to more than $50,000 in a week, alright? That's what it does. But in today's video, my account over here is not verified and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send money. But there's a limit to it, alright? You can only send around $300 to $500 in a week, as I said. So let me show you how you guys can do that. Over here, you need to enter the cash tag of the person. I say cash tag, but entering the name or the email of the person is going to work. But use cash tag because cash tag is unique to a single person. So there is not a chance that you're going to send it to any other person if you type their cash tag correctly, alright? So I'm going to write the name of the person over here. Once you do that, his name is going to be displayed over here. Click on that. Click and confirm. And on my case, $10 is going to be sent to 𝐘𝐨𝐿𝐿. Once I click on pay, $10 is going to be sent to 𝐘𝐨𝐿𝐿. If I want to send more than like $1,000, then I need to verify my account. But if you have not verified your account, you can send up to $500 to $300 in a week, alright? So that's the limit. Hope you guys understand how you guys can send money on Cash App without verification.